your textbook, page of 215. How we are going to compare and interpret two or more sets of group data based on measures of dispersion, hence make conclusion. Okay. So this one, kita nak compare. So open your PBD book to the page of 152. Look at number 12. Okay. 54, sorry. Okay. The following frequency table shows the length of leaf for two different species. Calculate the mean and standard deviation of the length of leaf of each species. Hence, determine the species which produce larger and more consistent leaf. Justify your answer. So, we find what first? What do you want to find? Mean. Okay. If you look over here, I'm going to do my table first. Table for species A and species B. Okay, so let me pause first. We construct already the table here. So this is gonna be for my species A. This is for our species B. So we are going to copy back over here the length, the frequency, and then what? Midpoint. This one you're gonna get your F times X. The frequency here is F. Yes, Fx square. So same goes for our species B here. This is frequency, midpoint, Fx and Fx square. So the length here is going to be 13 to 13.4, 13.5 until 13.9, 14 until 14.4, 14.5 until 14.9, 15 until 15.4. Right, one more here for what? Tak. Nanti saya nak cari sum. Kan? Pandai om boy. So this one, patutnya tadi saya copy je ni. Alamak, tulis juga. Okey, tak apalah. Tak apalah. Rajin. Okay, after I got copy back everything there, what should I do next? Not yet. Sorry. The frequency. For species A, 4, 8, 9, 10, 9. Species B, 9, 10, 8, 6, 7. Now we are going to find for each of our species here for the midpoint. Midpoint sama kan nanti? Sama lah kelas. This one 13.2. This one 13.9. 13.4. No. 13.7. This one you're going to get 14.2, 14.7, 15.2. Kan? Check. Apa dia tu? Okay. Is it going to be the same with our F times X? The frequency times with the midpoint. Is it going to be the same? Yeah. No. Yes, the frequency is difference between our species A and species B. So you have to 4 times with 13.2 for species A. 52.8. 8 times 13.7? 109.6. 14.2 times 9? 269.8. 127.8. This one 147. Kan? Yes. This one 15.2. 166.8. 136.8. Okay, we find for species A first, the frequency times with the x square. 4 times by 13.2 square. 696. Only 0.96. This one 8 times with 13.7 square. 1501.52. Next one 2 square times 9. 1814.76. 14.7 square times 10. 2160.9. And 15.2 square times 9. 2079.36. Okay. Now we will find for our species B the frequency times by x there. Midpoint 9 times 13.2. 118.8. This one 137. 14.2 times by 8. 113.6. 6 times 14.7. 88.2. 15.2 times by 7. 106.4. Okay, now 9 times by 13.2 square. Fx square here. 1568.16. 0.9. Okay. 14.2 square times by 8. 0.12. 14.7 square times 6. 1296.54 times 7. 1617.28. After this, what time? Metaphor. Okay. So now we are going to find for the total first. Okay, total for our frequency here. For the this one 40. Okay, midpoint tak pakai. Okay, total for our fx here. Girls, please. Maybe others can find for species B, others can find for species A. This is more quicker. 574. Ada point ke? The total of fx 52.8 times by wait. That one, is it 10.9? F times x? Yang ni? 109. That's why lah. 0.6. So means that our fx here going to be 574. Okay, fx square. Total of fx square 825.5. 8253.5. Okay. So for our species B 40, the fx 564. The total of fx square 772. Okay. So we got already all the information in our species A and species B. So by using both of the table here, we are going to find The question just now asking for us to find what? Mean. So mean, we are going to get what? The total of fx 574 divided by the total of frequency 40. So your mean here going to be, girls, sabarlah. Oh, ada orang dah ni dah 14.35. So for our species B, mean for species B 564 divided by 40. Berapa? 14.10. 1 only lah. Okay. Next, if I want to find the standard deviation, means that we are going to find, if we are going to find standard deviation straight away, means that I'm going to square root lah. Kan? So total of our fx square, which means 8253.5 divided by 40 ke? The total of frequency 40 minus with our 14.35 mean, right? Square. Kan? This one also. That's why we need to find 0.64 for the standard deviation for our species A. For species B, this one 7972 divided by 40 minus with 14.1 square. By using your calculator, 0.7. Okay, this one is going to be what? The length of the what? The leaf. Okay, so the question here, if you want to compare which one produce larger and more consistent leaf, justify your answer. If you look over here, we are going to look at what? You are going to look at mean, or you want to look at the standard deviation? We are going to look at the mean. Look at the mean. Look at the mean. Okay, 14.1 and 14.35 is going to be a little bit difference there, which one is going to be bigger? So our leaf A is going to be what? The larger leaf over here, produce larger leaf. Okay, so the consistent here, we are going to look at the standard deviation. Consistent, you are going to look at the standard deviation. Okay, if you compare that. Okay, wait. Sorry. So first, we are going to look the larger here. Which one is larger? Okay, larger what? Larger leaf, right? Larger leaf, isn't it? So A is going to be more than B. That one, we are going to look at our mean. And then, if you are looking at the consistency, which one? B. Yes, smaller is more, no. The smaller standard deviation going to show the leaf is more consistent. A. Consistent. Consistent means that we are going to look at the smaller one also. So means that it's going to be A is going to be what? Consistent than B here. So A lah menang sekat sini. It's got the larger leaf and also the consistent leaf. Okay, I finish here first.